So let's talk about the internet, that fancy technology that we're all familiar with, that we use to send messages to our crushes and to fire our bosses, and just to communicate, basically upload our nice fancy pictures to TikTok and Instagram. And so you might be wondering, as a product manager, right, why do I need to know what the internet is? Why do I need to know how the internet works? And this answer to this is actually pretty simple, right? Because everything we are going to be teaching, not everything, but most of what we'll be teaching is going to be dependent on one or two internet concepts. So, for example, we'll talk about REST APIs, right? We're going to be talking about webhooks, in which a third-party payment provider or third-party provider in general is calling your own backend. This would be on the internet. So having a fundamental understanding of the way the internet works, how your files are stored, where your files are stored, how your phone knows how to connect to the servers that are storing your files, actually increases the chances of you becoming a better product manager and understanding follow-up technical concepts. Also, in terms of optimizing the performance of your application, of your software, or your website, and by understanding how the internet works, you can communicate more effectively with the engineers, the PMs, the other stakeholders on some strategies you can implement in order to optimize the request and the response load time of your application. So in this mode, we'll be talking about where your files are, where the internet are, how your files retrieve data from the internet, how these files are stored, and basically just the fundamentals of the internet. So let's go.